here playing the second episode of the faction in the Centric server. Then today is a sad day because it's the second episode of faction after 2 weeks, I think, and we didn't take so seriously factions, but we take a lot of mob spawners without playing FAK. But now the only thing we are going to make AFK is taking money. Now, here is the amazing thing. We are raiding a base here in the Centrics. So our allies find it is a pretty good base and it probably has some good things.
So yeah, there's a shout out to
Games 74.
Turtle Games 74 and Ruby Blaze because they are the guys who found this base. Thank you guys and
You're amazing, bros.
yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna try to raid this. If we can't do a TNT cannon, we'll just creeper egg the base.
Because we
Yes,
can.
guys, it's easy because we have creeper eggs.
Okay, first let's try a
TNT.
TNT cannon.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, what the?
Okay.
Okay, move.
Move.
Make
Nothing.
strong.
What the hell?
Supposed to be a TNT here. Wait a second.
Then place it. No.
Guys,
Yeah,
the hell?
no, try it.
Do you remember how you make a TNT cannon? No.
Place the TNT demon over there. Yeah. Second try. Oh, fuck. That one is inside out. Why?
No, we need more redstone.
Okay, never mind.
What the fuck?
Now try.
So we need the redstone over there and the TNT. Let me try it. Absolutely.
Hey,
Absolutely
Nothing.
shit. Nothing's working.
Nothing. Alright.
I think, yeah.
Let's turtle try.
Okay, try this.
what to do now?
Okay, now let Turtle Games 74 try.
Yeah. We'll just chill. Watch him do the work.
Okay, that just sounds mean.
Okay, let's handle it. Come on.
Okay, so what's he doing? Bucket. He needs a water bucket. Or
Bucket or
something.
water?
Okay, try now.
No, wait. Let the master do the work.
Okay, so basically,
Yeah, it's
That cave is.
what the?
okay, fuel.
We can just do a simply TNT cannon, not
Oh,
TNT.
yo, demon, TP Teddy, I can't accept right now.
Okay, TP me, Ted. Demon.
Okay, one accepted.
Okay, guys, anyone have a creeper egg?
Yes, I have 3.
Okay, give me one, Teddy, or demon.
Well, guys, back off.
Okay, what
Oh,
Okay,
no. Okay.
still, is this working or not?
Okay.
Guys, we need
Oh yeah, we need to shoot
Yeah.
over there. The base is over there or where?
The base is where I'm going.
Where?
Okay.
Ooh,
Here.
yeah.
This is the base.
So this is a bit. Then why was you trying to shoot the wall then?
I don't know. You were shooting. Oh,
Not me, it's someone else. Very idiot. Very idiot.
Demon.
Yeah,
yeah,
from
give,
mistake.
Skelet, are you ready to raid the
give me a
chest?
creeper egg. Give me a creeper egg.
Wait for me.
Okay, empty your inventories, guys, just to be sure. Like,
Okay.
empty.
Pretty much everything is empty.
I will empty it right now.
Not that. Not that.
Come on.
Oh,
No,
that.
no.
No. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, come here.
Come on.
Okay, I'm ready.
Come.
Say hi, creeper.
Wait.
Hi, creeper.
Oh my god.
Okay, a lot
No,
of stuff.
keep
I'm lagging a lot.
No, I'm dying.
Eat
It's
a
a
apple.
hot apple.
Triple
No,
apple.
I am
There, 3 heads.
No, still out. Someone is requesting TP.
Oh shoot, I'm dying.
It's a god apple.
Teddy, go to the wilderness and accept, and let's kill him, so we can get
Come,
some.
we have to do the raid, man.
Okay, guys, I get
Kill him
15.
and raid.
Get,
Yeah, I just got
guys, I get 15.
netherrack. Okay, Demon
Guys,
is still trying the TNT cannon.
I need water. Here we go.
what?
Demon, it doesn't work. Don't try it. Light up the.
Let me try, man. Let me try.
Light it up. Wait, wait.
Okay, okay, okay. What? Oh, 8 5 balls.
Where?
Okay. Quartz, netherrack. No, don't need that. Don't need that. Ah, no, we lost everything.
Ooh, I got a stack of god apples from the chest that you destroyed.
Oh, nice. I got 20 TNT.
I got.
I have 15 obsidian.
Nice, nice. Oh, I got
Not
saddle.
bad.
Ooh,
Nice, mate.
Okay.
noise made noise.
Your demon.
Guys, what do you
The hell
think?
are you?
I like this base.
Okay, guys.
Okay, okay. Who has more creeper eggs?
Me.
Yeah, Tyler, place it over there to the chest.
Okay, there we
Oh,
go.
oh my
Oh
god.
yeah. Ooh, oh my god.
Protection
Oh,
for
lava,
kick
lava.
God. I got kick
Move,
God.
guys,
Oh,
move.
freaking hell, lava.
Is this based on nether because lava is floating so
No, no,
fast?
no. It's on a river biome. It's not in the nether.
Move, guys.
Okay,
What do you get?
I got a 40, I have 45 TNT. I got strength 2 potion.
Oh,
Nice.
I got half a god kit, the god helmet and god
yeah.
leggings.
Me too, I had some god kit. A part of it. Oh, okay, good.
Okay,
Okay.
can't accept TP in enemy territories. Yo, demon, will this work or no?
Let me try. I know how to do it when we can.
Guys, I'm stuck.
I just need a button. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I have and one more egg.
Oh,
This is not working.
Why are you sucking at the cannon? We're back, guys, and
sorry,
there are
we had some problems. We're back now.
Now we are here and
now the
we are
problem
finished
is we
our
are
base.
almost raiding this base. There are still, I don't know, few chests we are didn't break them. But just share. This guys is freaking raid.
This week was fun. I got got a stack of number golden apples, 52 god apples, a half kick god, 21
Guys,
scrap.
vote party is happening. Be
So,
careful.
Party, yay! Hope I get some
Oh,
good.
okay, but my inventory is full.
Okay, I got
I hit a lot. I don't have place, man.
750 bucks.
Oh, guys, I have one premium key.
Oh, GG.
good luck.
Oh my god.
Hope you will get something
Nice.
good.
Guys, now let's go to our base and make the.
Okay, guys, I will go to spawn
Okay.
to see
Good luck.
what can I get.
No greener.
Everyone, I wish you luck. Good luck to their. I'm at home. Remember.
Oh, I have and one got the.
At home.
That's the reason at home.
Okay, I get some dollars, but it's not bad.
Nothing good.
Now come at home and make the
So we got
mob grinder.
we got the head of the guy who we raided. Here he is.
Wait, where? Yeah, you died, man. We
Do you like our protector, guys?
deal with it.
It's Larry.
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 Waffleclan protector. Awesome.
Okay, we make this base our bigger and we add some nether wart farm,
And cocoa beans at the end.
cocoa beans.
Okay, so now when we weren't recording, we stayed AFK and people auctioned nor like big spider spawners, zombie spawners, normal spider spawners, and mushroom spawners.
Mushroom spawners.
So we got a lot of spawners and we'll make like a greener so we can get the XP and we'll be freaking amazing.
Okay, and we have a lot of minerals. Look like
Yeah.
diamond or iron.
And we are rich now.
So now we're planning to make a room for them spawners and we'll start making it. So first let's decide where we're gonna make it.
I don't know.
Oh no, let's here.
And
You
you
will
can
hear.
do something
Right here. Right here. The room right here. In the
I
middle
don't
of
know.
AFK pool.
like
Right here?
Yep.
Good.
we'll see.
Alright.
Okay, guys, let's mine first and back again later.
Yeah, people will be back next.
See ya.
See ya.
Guys, back now and you're trying to build this grander room. We are making it bigger. It is still in process.
Yeah, cause we have like 12 more spawners, I think.
40.
Guys,
40.
look,
Oh, whoa.
I've gathered some tokens by voting, and I have enough tokens to buy a skeleton spawner.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man.
So I'm gonna buy it. Ready? Slash token
Ready.
shop. One skeleton spawner. In 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Buy it.
You
I
bought
bought
it.
it. I bought it.
There we go. Now we
Let
have
me
a lot of
do it.
spawners.
Lot of spawners. And tons of
Bigger.
X.
Looks like a cave.
I have it in my inventory now, so when we finish the room, I'll place it down.
Skelet, I'm hitting you. Move. I've been like a platform so you can move and destroy everything. There we go.
I can move now.
I'm coming.
Guys, wait a second. I'm going to coming soon.
Okay, so guys, we'll be back when I finish the room.
Yeah, because it needs a lot of work. So we're back.
Yes.
See, we're back, guys, and we finally finished our greener. Kind of. Kind of.
We
We've
just put
messed
all
up
of
something and. Yeah,
But it is work. Too good.
at least.
Okay, now.
We've done a mess, but.
So much more.
Guys, I will need some hopper.
Larry.
Wait, I have to put spiders. Guys, don't destroy walls. I have to put more.
No, just keep those. I think 4 are enough.
No, more, Teddy, more. You need more.
Then why
I'm gonna
not?
put
Why the hell did you do that? Let's go up.
on top of.
So, where do we want to put the next one?
On top, I think.
I think I know. Wait.
How hoppers we want, guys?
We
Over
don't.
there?
Also,
Oh, wait,
sure, hop.
Here, over here. Down there.
Where's glass? We need glass, guys. Glass.
Yeah.
What?
Glass.
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 Glass like glass or glass? Glass pane or glass? Come on.
Either one
Oh,
works.
zombies killing me.
Demon, up. Up, demon.
No, I made mistake. Man. Oh,
Wow, so many freaking mobs.
I know, man.
Okay.
Right,
Oh.
Get tons of XP with this.
Tons of.
I
Okay,
think
place the spider spawners, demon.
he placed 2 of them.
Oh, guys, see a skeleton with spider.
Yo,
Spider jockey.
epic. Kill
Oh,
everything.
die.
We have to put more, guys. I have 9
Put a glass, guys.
I have 9 I have 9 more spawners more.
Give me one spider, so that's all. We're gonna put this one and we're gonna end it. Give me one.
Oh, we have to put 9 more.
No one. Come on. Do you see how
Oh my
freaking
god,
many?
a lot of mobs.
Guys, I was going to go to the shop to buy some glass.
Torches.
Archers everywhere. Yo, where did you go, Demon?
Yeah, at shop to buy some glass.
For what?
Oh, okay.
What do you mean, guys?
For the
And
grinder,
some
man.
hoppers. I have 8 hoppers, but we need more.
Alright then, destroy these mobs.
A lot of zombies.
Okay, press it. Oh, guys, come on.
Look, freaking spider.
Oh,
Skella, don't worry.
What, Skelat? Don't you like our grinder?
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy, not amazing.
One more spawner up there and we're done.
Yeah, this is what I told Demon, but he didn't put this. I don't know for what reason didn't you put this.
get this spider. I mean,
Come on, Demon.
where are
Come on, just do it. Come.
you?
Give me that. It is spider spawner. So many mobs. Don't know why I'm doing that, but I will continue.
Um,
Oh, Skeleton. Where's the last one over there? Skeleton, what are you
Oh,
doing?
come on. Freaking skeletons.
Yeah, pretty much everything is complete now.
I'm fixing a ton of experience.
Everything is complete, so just try this and...
Okay, wait. I'm not done. I'm not done.
Come on.
But we
Serious?
need more spawners.
These freaking mobs.
No.
You want a piece of me, bitch? Come on, you want a piece of me? Come and get it. No. Skeleton, what do you want?
Let me see.
I need to fix this. The mobs stay on the slab. They don't fall down.
Alright, good luck with that.
For frick's sake.
Come on.
Oh, see here.
So many mobs.
This grinder is working well, but there are 2 mobs.
8 more spawners. Do you have to put them?
The
Or
two,
not?
Oh no, it's enough mayhem as it is.
we have like 6? I think, yeah, 6.
No, 6. I think we
Yes,
have.
2, 4, 6, yeah.
Yep, 6.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Guys, what about our house spawner?
Skeleton, where? Oh, okay,
No,
Skeleton.
later, Demon.
I've come to help.
Be careful, Teddy.
Alright, everything is under control.
Where is
I think.
tons of XP, man?
Come on, please let me do my work. Don't come and help. I think everything is going.
Oh, or not?
Oh, come on.
What?
See what?
I'm falling. Every time
I'm
I
going to
fall.
fly. Scared, don't worry. I'm going to. What am I doing?
You guys fix that. I'm gonna repair the down part.
Everything is okay. So that. Yeah.
Something. We are going to kill this.
Skeleton, everything is okay. What do you need to do?
Clean it up. There's a lot of cobblestone in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that again.
Okay, Skelat, can I put the hopper?
No hoppers.
Bye.
Why not?
Not right now. Later.
Oh, okay.
Don't be sad.
Fairy. Protect the fairy.
Alright.
Yes, here.
The problem is not fix it, man.
I know.
It's too hard to fix it, man. A lot of spiders. Man, I have to build. Go away, you freaking spider. Hey, did you fix it?
I think so.
Yep, it is easy.
Just let it go.
Now, it is a meat. A full.
Just destroy the cable and I think we're good to go.
Oh, the torches! Destroy the torches!
Oh, frick. Come on. We can destroy
Ah,
arrows. It sucks. Or just this one. Oh, come
One.
I can see.
Finish
on.
now. Finish.
Ooh, guys.
Come on, just
Oh my
destroy,
god.
I
destroy
have
the
to.
couple.
God, wait. I have to put glass there.
Escape! Escape! We need to escape! Too many mobs!
When you stay there, guys. Stay there. Stay there.
Oh, I'm
No, 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 no.
okay.
Demons.
No, 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 no.
Come on, Julia, come on. Julia, come on.
Okay,
Come on, come on.
I'm here.
Come on, Julia, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh my god.
Destroy the cable and then go in. Come on. See?
Wait, I have to tell you. I have a punch to
Go,
go.
go, 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 go,
Please
go.
just
Come,
left.
come. Demon, demon. Go.
Destroy.
Oh, sorry. Everything is good. So place the glass over there and
Glass.
let's kill this.
One more glass,
No,
guys.
I can see.
So many freaking mobs.
Tons of them.
Alright.
Come on, stop wasting torches!
Me, but it's difficult to
Guys,
see without torch.
need hoppers.
Just place.
Hey, people want some hoppers.
Is this okay with the slab?
No, no, put slabs. Put slabs.
Okay, I have 8 hoppers. Who won?
Put them.
Let
Yeah.
me get the
Okay,
chest.
Skelet, get it. Skelet, here, get the hoppers.
But
Guys, we need to put slabs.
I put them slabs. Okay, wait. I have to do this.
Because spider and mini zombies can get a lot.
Okay, but we can't fight in with slabs. So put slabs underground.
So I'm gonna do is like
But if we put underground, we can get.
Now we can fight.
we got
and now
Ah,
we can't get the XP.
yeah. So scroll this.
okay, what level are you?
Level 21.
32, 21. Like,
31, me too.
28.
you guys just back off for a moment, back off for a moment. Let me walk. Do this. Do it. And
Okay.
now kill him. Kill us, man. Oh, you know that. Just spam your mouse and click.
Okay, this is awesome.
I need a new
What to do
pickaxe.
Okay, so this is the episode for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it. And leave a like and a comment down below in the description.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
The server's IP will be down in the description. And bye!
See ya.
Bye.